It's another mega impact of India Today expose. NIA has recommended shutting down of border trays as the route is used to bring terror funds to Kashmir.
Eight separatists are in the custody of the National Investigation Agency after India Today caught them on camera admitting to funding terror and unrest in the Kashmir Valley.
वाइफ नहीं आ जाता उस तरह थोड़ी आप जैसे लोग खैर खा लोग होते हैं तो यूएस से अपना परसेंटेज उठा के कर ही लेते हैं।
करेंसी कोई एयरपोर्ट के थ्रू थोड़ी आएगी।
नहीं बॉर्डर से नहीं आती करेंसी। पहले एक टाइम में थोड़ी आती थी, मेजर यहाँ से ही होता है। आप बिजनेस में दिल्ली में आपके जरिए वहाँ लेते हैं, मुझे आप यहाँ देते हैं।
4 days after that mega impact comes another one. In June this year, India Today first exposed how Pakistan had been abusing cross-LOC trade between Kashmir and POK. It was India Today that revealed how traders were suspected of bankrolling separatists and stone pelters in the valley through this line of control route. Their modus? Slush funds generated through Kashmir's barter trade. Slush funds is dirty black money, and that's how terror funders in POK are raising it. Many shipments coming in from POK are suspected to be under-invoiced. Loaded with 9 tons of commodities, for example, trucks officially declare 8 tons to Indian authorities. Disguised as transporters, these rogues sell off the smuggled shipment out in the open market and supply cash generated from the deal to enemies of peace.
700 to 800 crores
per year.
Per year. Proper, there are intermediary involved who have become a conduit to liquidate the stuff. They might not be knowing the magnitude of this, anti-national activity. There may be more than 80 to 100 people involved.
Days after the expose comes the big impact. Now the NIA has recommended that LOC trade with Pakistan be stopped. The National Investigation Agency has sent an 80-page recommendation to the Ministry of Home Affairs saying that cross-border trade is being exploited to fund Hurriyat and terror outfits in the valley.
In its 80-page report, the National Investigation Agency has recommended that the border barter trade both at Uri and Poonch with Pakistan-occupied Kashmir be shut down, at least till the time that customs barriers and systems of checks and balances can be put in place. The NIA in its report says that the border barter trade is fueling terror and unrest in the Kashmir Valley. It remains to be seen whether the Ministry of Home Affairs puts an immediate stop to this or consults the Jammu and Kashmir government before the next action is taken.
2 big impacts in just 5 days. India Today once again has set the gold standard of journalism. With Shruti Ranjan Sen in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.